Alright, we're painting her. I've got these colours. I'm trying to go for like some sort of, I don't know, turquoise blue. Trying to keep it sort of in the cool realm, her sort of armour and stuff. Yeah. I'll lay down all the base colours and then I'll come back and you'll see the highlights and shit. So when you're shaking up a paint and then you give it a little squeeze and it fucking explodes. That just fucking happened, didn't it? Fucking everywhere. Oh well. Such is life. So here's where we're up to. All the base colours are down. Originally I was going to make the sword, sort of, you know, all the leathery bits green, but I decided to go with them to blue. And we've done all the feathers and everything, the candle, set all that up. And even the little skulls painted, so now we'll move on to using some villainy inks. Have some fun. Let's start off with Ichor the Damned. I think it's one of the darkest ones. If that's not the darkest one, then I'll bring in Decrepit Filth. I think that's the other, that's the dark brown. And we'll just do an overall sort of unifying wash with those. And then, yeah. I wanted to be sort of in the darker spectrum for this one. Yeah. We'll see how we go. Yeah, we've done the villainy inks coverage and a bit of a reduction technique. As you can see, we've made her around her legs all filthy. She's been standing in blood and mud and filth and shit, so she's just been killing pricks who show up. There's still one of them right there. She's kept his head and she just has a single candle burning, but I wanted her to have just splatter all over her, you know, grime. Again, I'll probably treat her down with a mat to mat out some of these things when I'm all done, but yeah, happy with it so far. But I need to highlight this armour a bit, bring out some of that texture. Excuse me, because it's getting lost. So I'll do that, and then I'll come in with some rust. Just a little bit here and there. And yeah. I want to highlight that, again, light that candle up. Try a couple of things on there, but otherwise I'm pretty good. Might come back in again and do a bit of like mud splatter and whatnot with some other bits. And then I've got some, use this the old dried blood from the Vallejo's game colour. This actually, if you wet it and use it, it looks like real blood, but I don't know, this Carry On Crimson, as you can see on that skull, because of the granulated stuff in it, it looks fucking amazing when you put it on something like bone. Whew, yeah, good stuff. I'm very happy with that. But yeah, keep on working on with it. Yeah. But anyway, it's late. It's almost, well, it's 11:15. So I'm going to bed. And yeah, continue on with this tomorrow. Cheers. Okay, well, I ended up coming back today and completely finishing her off. And yeah, I've used rust effects and I brightened up these a little bit on the feathers just to, you know, and there's as I said, used the dried blood and flicked it everywhere. Then used the airbrush to create a candle. I'm not sure what happened there, but oh well. I think it might have been like there might have been some dried blood there and it's flicked off as I've used the airbrush or something. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, there's bits of rust and everything clinging here, there, and everywhere. Yeah, I'm really happy with her. Show the back. Yeah, she looks great. Anyway, once again, cheers for watching, and there's a nice photo at the end. Anyway.